Hi, my name is Summer Neal, and I'm applying for the Social Studies Instructional Coach position at Epic Charter Schools. Today I'm going to discuss my vision for the Instructional Coach position and my leadership style, which I believe will help bring the Instructional Coach department to a new level of excellence. While test prep is understandably a primary focus, my vision is to create wide-ranging grade-level curriculum with standalone lessons that teachers can either use in its entirety or as a supplement depending upon each individual student's need. I've always approached social studies as an ELA class with history content, and to that end, the MAP ELA test is particularly effective in helping to individualize content for the student. If a student is both significantly below grade level in their ELA, they're going to struggle in their history. So by creating content and scaffolding lessons, we can meet the student at their individual level and create a program of study tailored to their needs while still delivering on grade level standards content. Not only that, with our use of Exact Path, it has a wonderful English and math and language program, but there is no social studies. So by creating these scaffolded lessons, we can target more ELA through the use of social studies as the content and as the driver and deliverer. History is often seen as the least important of the four cores, but in reality, it's a way to double down on ELA without the student really realizing what's happening. This means that they get more ELA content, or they get more ELA work, they have their social studies content, and they're essentially killing two birds with one stone, which we always like anything that multiplies our time. I would also, in addition to creating content and curriculum for the elementary and middle school, I'd also like to be available to teachers to troubleshoot and target whatever their particular social studies or ELA need is. I know that the key to any kind of growth is communication, and to that end, I'd like to institute one of the things that I found really helpful to me as a teacher, and that is Cyber Wednesdays. As a teacher, every Wednesday I'm available from 9:30 in the morning until 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and from 2:30 until 4:30 in the afternoon. And I do this on an open, dedicated Google Hangout line so that any student who needs me can hop on board and we can discuss whatever their particular needs are. Having an open-ended way for people to contact you really opens up the lines of communication, and I think that would be really beneficial. I think a lot of times that teachers don't see the face of the instructional coach as much as they see the content. And I think the more you can create that bond between teachers and instructional coaches, the more effective that we can be, and we can target exactly what they need. By creating open lines of communication with a Cyber Wednesday type event, or through emails and targeted rollouts of different courses, I feel like we can really open up that channel between teachers and instructional coaches. I'm an innovator. I'm a problem solver. I know that I had a student transferred my roster in January of one year, and she was scheduled to take the history test in April. She had a B in first semester history, but when I benchmarked her, she scored a 30%. She wasn't expected to pass the test, and I knew that she was a good student. She was just really struggling with the content in her core, even though she had a good grade in the class. And when I went to create an intervention plan and to create some kind of test prep for her, I found very little available for the struggling student. So I created it. I found a textbook that was on a much lower reading level, and I went through and created guided reading notes, and then I got crash course videos, and I put all of that together, and we came up with an intensive 5-week test prep, and we were able to. She scored advanced, and that's what we need. We need to be able to go in and target what a student needs and give them the curriculum. And the key to the whole thing is the ease of use for the teachers, because I can throw content out all day long, but if it's going to create more work for teachers, they're not going to use it. And so by creating documents that can be used in Google Classroom and that can be and content that can be used in a shared folder, and using Google Forms and Quizlet and all different kinds of different programs and tools that make it easier for the teacher to layer content between English and social studies and to be able to target those needs that the individual student has, I think that will make us a very successful position. So look over my website. All content was created by me or in collaboration with other EPIC teachers, and know that I will take the instructional coach position to epic heights. Thank you so much for your consideration, and have a great day.